Today we're going to go over the installation of the new JLT intake for your 2015 to 19 3.5 liter EcoBoost F150. I'm going to loosen up the clamps that go to the two turbos. Reach behind here, you've got an inlet air temperature sensor. Squeeze the plug and pull. Release these two clips. Remove it and the element. Take the supplied foam gasket, peel off the backing, and apply it to the stock air box. Take the heat shield and the side with the fingers, put that in the side that will accept them, lower it down, lock it in. Remove the inlet air temp sensor from the factory tube by pushing, twisting, and pulling. You can put a little oil on the grommet and go ahead and twist the sensor in. Okay, the Pcv insert is going to be installed in this fitting right here. This tube runs down to the turbo on the driver's side. This one already has a separator on it, so you may have either a separator hose or you may have the factory line. Either way, this is the line right here. You're going to squeeze the tab to pull that off. You can see right on the fitting itself, it tells you this side toward turbo. So the slash cut side is going to point away from you, but towards the turbo. Slide it in, push it all the way, and reconnect. Go ahead and loosely attach the filter and both couplers. Drop the filter into the box. Guide the lower coupler onto the bottom tube, and then connect the upper tube. Now you can go ahead and tighten the clamps. And plug in your inlet air temp sensor.